Okay, here we are with a note about cheap Chinese parts and bobbin cases. So I have an assortment of class 15 bobbin cases. This one is clearly stamped China on the side, and this hook here under the lock you can see that gap there, and that hook sticks out really far. This case, it's nice and smooth. This is an old case that had a broken spring on it, but the gap here from this piece to the side of the case is much smaller. This is another case out of the same batch, because I think I ordered 5 at once. This part, much smaller gap, doesn't stick out as far. Here's another marked China, has a different stamp on it. This piece doesn't stick out as far, and the key is it's the side of the case. This is sticking out on the side of the case here really far, and every time I put this case in a machine, when the thread laps around, because this piece is sticking out, it catches the thread instead of letting the thread go over it because it's sticking out. And so this case, even though it's brand new, is causing looping and bad issues with the machine because that piece is sticking out too far. I don't know, I've got enough other bobbin cases. I think I'm gonna salvage this one for pieces. I'm not gonna try and bend that in. But if you have a machine and it suddenly, and you put a new case in it, and then it has looping issues, that could be the culprit. You might have a machine or a case that's been manufactured poorly and got through quality control, and has that big hook on it which will catch thread, because that should be in and smooth.